You got a knife to cut them?
I do, in the bag there, and my tools. But I'm going to start off with a shad dart.
If you grab me a knife, please, I'll cut one.
Right there.
Thank you.
The scissors, specifically. Before I try for some whites, I'm gonna, yep, just cut them in half. Before I try for any whites here, I'm gonna see if I can get a shad. First shad on of the year. And definitely a good evening. White perch, there we go. Oh, a fatty too. Oh, that's a big one.
Come here, you.
That's dinner.
Nope.
All right, that's lunch then.
Okay, come here.
All right. Now, do you have anything to put them in?
We will grab a bag from the car and put these in the bag.
Yeah, okay, sounds good. Yeah, no, I'll take those home and fillet them.
White perch.
Yep.
That's where you're going to put it for now.
I'm gonna go. Just right there. It's white perch, otherwise I call them dinner. Got one over there. Look at that. There we go. Seems like all the people are coming. Oh, what's that one?
Got another.
Nice. Another white.
The tiniest little bite.
Oh, double up.
Double up.
Boy, he smacked that. Oh my God, he almost ripped the rod out of my hand. Yes, sir. There we go. First shad of the year. About time.
You're lucky.
There you go. And a perch too. Nice, nice. Beautiful. Beautiful.
And I'm fishing cheap.
Hey fellas, you guys keeping them? You guys keeping them? You want it? Sure. Right on. That's a good one. Oh, that's fat. That's a big one.
Double up.
There you go. Double up. What's that? Oh, that'd be perfect for the... it would if I had my...
You don't have your cooler.
No, I don't. Oh my Lord, look at the size of this one. That's a big shad. That's a fatty.
Give me the hook. You're not taking this worm. Give me the hook.
There's a fatty right there. Look at that one.
He would have been perfect.
Oh, that would have been perfect. Yeah, throw him back. He'd be too small though. Right on, man. That's a good one. That's what I wanted to see. Okay. There. 2 shad. And now, time for some decent. Alright, got 2 shad, and now it's time for something decent. For white perch. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, that's a fat. Oh my God, that's a fatty white. All right, that's lunch.
That's supper.
Oh yeah.
That's perch fry.
Yeah. Oh yeah. White perch are very good eating. They're among one of my favorite fish to eat.
No way, bro. I'm
Oh yeah? That's good. Now we're going to switch to the lighter rod here and join you on some white perch fishing. I just wanted to get a couple shad.
I got three good ones.
Oh yeah.
Just down below you.
Yeah, that's fine. Remember, just let the current take you, because the current's going that way, right?
Now comes the rain.
It's raining on and off. Oh, there's a good one. Oh!
Aww.
I just had something solid there. I just didn't get a good hook set on it. All right, so if you got a worm, and just a regular split shot on you, just let the worm just drift in the current, and the perch will pick it right up off the bottom, because the weight will sit on the bottom and the worm just floats. And then when you feel a tug, just set right on it. Oh my God, look, right there in front of us.
Oh, you got my line.
That's all right. You were cast under me there. He's a small guy anyways. There you go. There you go. Tiny thing.
Get him in and get him good. Oh, fatty.
Yep.
Oh. Nibble, nibble.
There he is. Don't jig too hard. Just slit a flick of the wrist. That's all you need to do.
Alright, I still got bait.
There we go. That's a nice one.
Oh, you got a little dink.
Yeah, tiny thing.
Got your little dink.
Yeah. Yep. That's all I wanted. Just. Yeah, that's all I wanted. Just to get a couple whites. Yeah. Just having fun, are you?
Come on, guys. I'm ringing a dinner bell.
Now to go for a shad. Back to shad. I just wanted to get a couple whites from the river. Whoa. That was a good hit. I just missed that.
I'm in the pocket. You took my worm.
Pink and white seems to be the color. Oh, that's another beauty. Look at that. Yes, sir. That is another big shad right there. Look at that. That is a nice shad right there. Oh. Yes, look at that. That is a good one. My God, what another one. Just big buggers this evening. Nice. That's a good one right there. Time for another one. Ooh. Little smaller one, but not too bad. Yeah. The pink and white seems to be working tonight with a little bit of a flash trailer. There. Slimy buggers. Man, look at that. Just getting that practice in for the 23rd. Shad Derby. Just getting some practice in. Not! He spit it. Brutal. Oh boy. Oh. Yeah, sorry about that, bud. Oh, no, my bad. Okay. I've tried every other color. They weren't catching, and just as soon as I put the pink and white on, man, slamming it. I've tried green. I've tried everything. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, no problem. No, pink and white seems to be it. Oh.
Bamboozle him.
Oh yeah.
The fish freaking snatch it into his line.
All right.
Bamboozle him. Throw Bamboozle him.
I had 3 while you've been gone. Like it's been. Oh, it's been wicked. Been wicked. They're starting to pick up right now. The fly guys down there are definitely having a blast though in that spot, but they're just as active up here.
Where's that breakwater? Where's that breakwater?
Oh, it's coming.
You got a break surface. Come on.
Solid. He's definitely a solid fish. There he is. Yeah, there he is. There you go. You fellas want this one? Slow. Are you done? Jeez. Slow down. Come on. Don't go over there to them guys. They're just gonna catch you too. Come on. Solid fish for a shad. Oh, it's pretty nice. Oh.
You get another one for the bag?
No, I usually keep like 1 or 2, dice it up for striper bait, but most of the time it's now catch and release. He's not even...
Big.
Actually, he's not even that big, but he's just got power. I find around this time, like May, like the best time for shad fishing is around May because the big ones come up and they just fight harder. I've learned a lot since I fished over this bank over the years. Oh, are you done? Come on. Come on, come on. There we go. That's a big fish.
Right in the mouth too.
Oh yeah, that's how they eat it.
Good hook.
That's how they eat it. That's why I like fishing them this time of the year in May. Because I find after June, July, they shrink. But May, they're just round and fat, just like this one. They're just round things, man. Beautiful. And there we go, last one of the evening. This will be the last one of the evening. Smaller one, but I'll take it.
He was pissed though.
Oh yeah, he was screaming for a minute. Oop! Ow! There we go. And this makes for the last one of the evening. A little bloody, but that's all right. There you go. Good to be back here. But unfortunately, I won't be in the tournament because I'll probably be with the NSKFS on the 23rd. And that concludes that.